How does our process work? We expand our business through partnerships, and we encourage people in our network to do the same. In the network, you're going to have access to over a half a dozen coaching calls weekly. Every Thursday night, we teach a master class. You never want to miss those. We also will provide you the information on the way that we evaluate deals so that you can always know that you're buying things right. Remember, you make your money in real estate when you buy, and we're going to focus on that. We're going to beat that into you. You're going to know that when you get a yes, you want to run to the bank because you've got a great deal. That's key. We also have you come alongside of people that you can network with, where you'll find partnerships, where you can find the money, so that when you've got the great deal of a lifetime, you're always going to be able to get it closed. And most importantly, we're going to have you be able to take it through A to Z so that you profit at the end of the day and become an actual real estate investor and get yourself out of the rat race.